What's the meaning of anthropological? Anthropological. 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 Anthropological.
The term anthropological refers to the study of humans and human behavior, particularly in relation to various cultural, social, and physical factors. This field encompasses a wide range of disciplines, including archaeology, linguistics, and sociology, among others, with the goal of understanding the complexity of human experience throughout history and across different societies. Researchers in this field often apply ethnographic methods to observe and analyze cultural practices, beliefs, and values. Through their work, anthropologists seek to gain insight into the diversity of human experience, challenge assumptions and biases, and ultimately promote cross-cultural understanding and empathy.